Today's gonna be one long day and it just started. It's about 9 a.m. right now, and I've actually got something cool to work on today. You guys remember this GTR? It was my first video and it's been a while. He actually just got back from the track and he's actually got some tire splatter everywhere and she's a little bit filthy. Give her a quick little wash. Hopefully try to get out all little tire marks. Cleaning up back here. Do it. So something that I noticed actually, which is actually pretty cool, I actually did use ceramic rejuvenator from Drive Auto Detail. It has been a few months since we've actually done anything to it, but if you want to notice something, even though he's been to the track, and you can see I actually just cleaned this up over here, and this side's not cleaned. Pull up real close to it. Everything's just really just falling off.
Down for me, take a sip of paradise.
It's 11 o'clock and I'm actually finally done. And wow, day and night difference. Front bumpers actually had a lot of damage, but for the most part, everything is actually cleaned up, ready to go. Hope he's happy. Guys, it's like 3 o'clock right now, and I know with the theme of everything that's going on, what's better than an R35 GTR doing a detail? Yo!
Bro! Is that a Supra?
I think so.
Oh, okay, no. I wasn't very good.
A whole Mark IV Supra. Now, we're actually trying out this new compound from Drive. It's called their hybrid ceramic polish. It's a whole one-step. And you can see on this side's been done all in one step. This side hasn't been done. You can see from left to right, just see how much is actually pulled off. Maybe spend maybe 20 minutes back there in the heat, and I'll tell you what, the cut time on it is just very, very quick. It starts cutting really quick, and it starts to work right in front, and the idea of using this product is actually very slow. Boom. Here's a little side-by-side comparison. Not bad for a one-step. I don't know if you can't tell, but this thing actually does have some ceramic in the polish itself. Just see how well that sheets off, and then compared to this side, kind of just stays on.